Hey everyone, it is week 2, day 2 for physical science. We're getting a little bit more in depth on this. There's no math in this lesson, so it's all just verbal. So that makes you feel comfortable. I'm hoping to get you guys more accustomed to math. You guys were doing pretty good. Now you're going to have two flip grids and a paradect. So the first pair flip grid, some of you guys, I'm looking at you, Emily. I saw that you guys did post. I appreciate that. Okay, so I know that I have been slowing down these last few weeks and taking it nice and slow. How does it look like when a horse starts to slow down from a gallop to a trot? Okay, so gallops are fast, trots a little steady if you guys have ever ridden horses. Okay. So, and then there's another one. It has to do with more of speeding up. Okay. So this is what I'm a little bit more not accustomed to is the flip grid. I'm going to be pausing it here and there, just like so. Here's the paradect. I'm showing it what it looks like on my end so that you guys can clearly see what's going on. I won't be going through this again, but I just want you guys to see. And I boo-booed. That button that I just pressed meant that it's self-paced. This goes on your guys' own speed. So you could start, stop. You don't have to wait on me. So it's loading. And I'm going to be pausing and stopping. I'm not very comfortable with all this. So I just want to go through the basics. There it is. So it allows you to get the power of the paradeck and it's on you. So that's what I'm choosing on this. Hopefully it's going to come up and load very quickly. The last one did not. Okay. And then I'm going to go share it with you guys. Okay. All right. So when we're going through this, you guys will see that there's going to be times, and I'm going to pause it so that you guys can see where I'm at. Okay. Okay, so this is probably going to be the, I'm going to stop it a couple times so that you guys can see this. I'm just not great with Paradeck yet, but you'll see that you have your answers and I'll know if you complete them or you don't. So make sure that you type something in. And you guys, like I said, are probably much better with the Paradeck than I am. All right, I'm going to go. So what you'll have on this one, a car accelerates from standstill from 60 meters or 60 kilometers per second in 10 seconds. So the problem set is asking, is the problem accelerating, decelerating, or neither? So it says that it's from standstill. So I know standstill is 0 because it's stopped and it's going to 60 kilometers per hour. All right, I don't have to worry about the math right now. So I believe that the car is accelerating because, and if you can't spell accelerating, it's just right up there. The car was parked. How do I know it was parked? Well, I don't know if it was parked. It was at least stopped. And how do I know that? Because it was in standstill. And then went to 60 km per hour. Okay, so there you go. I'm going to go pause it. Okay, so this is the next one. What you need to do is tell me what's going on in each graph. So on this one, you'll see each of these will change color. So I'm specifically talking about this graph. Okay, so what is it doing? Well, the line's straight. I'm not giving you the answer. I'll say that dog is jumping with a jump rope. Well, that is definitely not true. Just want to give you guys a point. That is not true. So, you guys will have to give me your best analysis. Okay. And see how it changed color. Okay. And then so you'll see each time you'll go through. Okay. Well, that's it for day 2. Look for day 3. It gets a little trickier. We're going to be doing a little bit more math. Not a lot of math, just to let you know. Okay. All right. I will see you soon.